Hi, I'd like to introduce you to She's Gone Skiing, a company built for private ski instructions for women and girls, building confidence to ski any and all terrain. Doesn't matter how many days you've had on the mountain or which mountain you're skiing or who you're skiing with. We will have you confident enough to ski anything and everything. Private lessons are available at most ski resorts. You can get group lessons or private. Private's obviously is going to cost more money. I'm going to go through a few of my local resorts and their prices for private ski instruction. First, we'll start off with Pebble Creek. Pebble Creek Ski Area. For a beginner lesson, it's $80, and that is a complimentary Aspen ticket, which is the baby hill. An advanced lesson, $60 for 1 hour, $80 for 2 hours, and you must purchase a $47 Skyline lift. Grand Targhee. Full day lift ticket, $90. Half day, $72. If you were to get a full day lesson, not only would you be $499 for the 6 hours, you would have to pay the $90 for your lift ticket, which would put you about $589 for a private lesson. Sun Valley, private lesson, $855 for a full day, plus your $89 lift ticket puts you about $944 just for 1 day private lesson. Jackson Hole Grand Targhee, we're about $998 for a full day private lesson. You have a $143 lift ticket and a private lesson at $855. Those prices seem a little high to me for a full day of instruction. She's Gone Skiing would be giving a full day private instruction for $100, or if you weren't going to be able to do a full day, we do an hour lesson for $40. The client would be required to purchase a lift ticket for $47. This would be personal one-on-one instruction on finding exactly what you want to perfect, whether it's the very basics or wanting to learn to ski backcountry, powder, all that kind of stuff. I would be using our local mountain at Pebble Creek. I know that mountain. I know the ins and the outs. I know all the different terrain and all the different accesses you have to this mountain. If you can ski at Pebble Creek, you can ski anywhere. Thus far, we've had one client wanted a full day lesson learning how to ski bumps, moguls, and powder. I've also spoke with 3 others about lessons. Unfortunately, the lesson that I had scheduled, the client had to cancel, and we have not been able to make it up. Our local mountain closes this Sunday, so at this point, it kind of puts a damper on any continual lessons. However, starting back in December of next year, we could get these 3 clients and more. The future of this business would be built off word of mouth. Talking to people in the community, referrals from other people, using social media for advertising, following, having people follow our Instagram, our Facebook. There's a large market of growth here. We don't have a lot of options, especially when it comes to individual lessons. It is extremely costly. And with our pricing where we're at now, we have a huge margin to increase our lesson prices. She's Gone Skiing can create an experience that is not only affordable, but one that more personal than any big resort can give you. This business has a chance to have tremendous growth and would be a great investment for any investor. Thank you.